Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that uh, on your Get Contact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on menu down here. When you just click here on menu, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings here, you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notification settings. Just click on it here. You come to next step here. Come here to get notified when a new tax has added to your number. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.